The Wingtra One is a pretty cool mapping drone. It can produce high quality survey data faster and at a lower cost than other surveying tools. This drone was showcased at SkyWorx's Innovation Xchange hosted by Gregory Larsen and Diane Johnston of the Augusta Regional Airport and was being flown by Joseph Johnston and Peyton McCain. The unique thing about this drone is that it really didn't look like it could take off like a multi-rotor, but as we saw, it did not have any problem at all taking off. It then easily converted to a fixed wing. It was flown above the SRP baseball stadium in Augusta, Georgia, and once it was in the air, it actually looked like a large bird, except that it was orange. However, when you put it up in the gray sky at about 300 feet AGL, I couldn't really tell what color it was. Now, the Wingtra One can fly at 36 miles per hour for up to 59 minutes for large coverage. It can capture more ground with more detail and reconstruct a map with lower overlaps and maximize ground coverage per flight. The Wingtra One Generation 2 drone flight bundle starts at $31,900.